Hello children, welcome to our 9th English class. In the previous class, we started the lesson. Three questions. Three questions in the sense, I hope that you already so curious to read the lesson. In that curiosity, you maybe read the full lesson, but let me continue the topics that in the previous class what we have learned that the three questions which arise in the mind of a king. As per the question, which are these three questions that what is the right time to begin something? Second one, who should a king to listen? What is the most important things for a king to do? Isn't it children? What are the three questions which comes to the mind of a king that what is the right time to do the particular work or any work, and king at what time he has to do the work and when he has to do and to whom he should listen. These are the questions that come into the mind of a king. To get the answer of these three questions, what he will do? He will send the messenger to entire his kingdom to gather the opinion of his three questions. So and he will be announce a huge amount that one who answers three questions, they will be given huge amount they will be given as a huge amount as a reward. Then to answer, many people will come to his kingdom and they will be answered that when, for first, what is the right time to begin something. So what the right time to do, many will give this is the right time, or when the necessity come they has to do, or he should listen others, like that such a opinion will come to the king. Then the second question that they will advise that only the priestly people they should advise the king, and second one will advise that doctor should advise the king. Then the third one will say soldiers, they should advise the kings. In the council of ministers should be appointed. In the council of ministers, the relatives or the friends of a king should be there, or doctor should be there, or priest should be there. Such opinion will be given. Then what is the important thing that king should do first? Which is the important thing that king should do? As a king, he should fight, he should do the war. That opinion he will get. So whatever the three answers he will get from the different kind of a people, this answer is not at all satisfied to the king. So he was not at all satisfied. So he will decide that I will visit any wise hermit in the sense that was a very knowledgeable of the priestly kind of a people. So I will visit a very wise hermit of my kingdom. As when I visit that person, and he will answer my question. In the hope of getting an answer to the question, he will visit the hermit. So children, page number 32. In page number 32, third point, the king put on his ordinary clothes and went to meet the hermit. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. So what he will do? He wear an ordinary dress that in the intention that the hermit should not recognize him. He will wear ordinary dress and he will go to meet the hermit. So when he goes to near to the hermit hut, what he will do? He leave his horse somewhere along with his bodyguard and he went alone. And as the king come near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. Observe here children what the situation was. When the king visited the hut of the hermit, the hermit was digging in front of the hut. So what he will do? He observed that some person was coming near to him. He greeted that person and he moved on with the work that what he was doing. What he was doing children? Hermit was digging the ground. Hermit was digging the ground in front of the hut. He observed that king or some person was coming near to him and he greeted as a sign of a gratitude. He will greet that person and he will continue with the digging work. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions, and he repeated the question. So what he will do? King will come very close to the hermit and he says that I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you answer three questions, and he repeated the question. He says that wise hermit, I came to you to get answer my three questions, and he will repeat the question. The hermit listened to the king, but he did not speak. You are tired, said the king. So, what the observation? The king observed that he repeated the three questions but he didn't get the answer. So, what he guessed that he may be tired of digging the ground. So, what the king will do? King says to hermit that you may be tired of digging. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So, what he will guess that maybe because he is tired. Who is tired? Hermit is tired by digging the ground. So what he will say, you may be tired, give me a spade so that I can continue your work. What do you mean by spade? Spade is some weapon which is used to dig the ground. It may be anything, okay? So he take up that spade and he will continue the work of the hermit. Who will continue the work of the hermit, children? That was none other than king. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. So hermit greet him that thank you, and he will give the spade to the king. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer. So as soon as he started to dig, after certain hour, the king think that okay, now maybe a hermit may be relaxed. So let me give my question again to the hermit, and he repeated the question. But still hermit didn't give the answer. 1 hour passed, then other. Then sun went down behind the trees, and at last king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for the answer to my question. If you can give no answer, tell me no. Tell me so, I will return home. What the work went on, the digging will continue till the evening. But he didn't get the answer for his question. So what the king will do? King says that, see, wise man, I came here to get the answer for my question, but entire day has been going to be passed, but you are no intention to answer my question. Tell me, if you are not interested to answer my question, I will go home back. Then here comes someone running, said the hermit. Children, which comes in double inverted comma, that you have to underline. It may come for the extract, okay? Here comes someone running, said the hermit. The king turned around and saw a bearded man running toward them. So when he was digging behind, in the sense backside of a king, somebody was coming, running. Then his hand was pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. So you observe that man, he was coming so fast, running so fast, holding his stomach. He holding in the sense he pressed his stomach so tightly, and still he was running. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. So he observed that that man was running so fast by pressing his stomach, and as he come near to the king, he fell on a king, and he fainted in the sense he was unconscious. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. So what he will do? They are curious that why that man was pressing his stomach, and as soon as he got unconscious, and what they will do? They will remove his hand and they will remove the cloth from the cloth nearby stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. So what he will do? The king observed that nearby stomach bleeding. He was getting a bleeding. So what he will do? He used his handkerchief and he will cover that wound. The king redressed the wound until the last bleeding stopped. So as when he dressed up, but still it was bleeding. So what he will do? Again and again he was redressing that wound till the bleeding gets stopped. So man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his work he had done, lay down on the floor and fled through the night. So what will happen? As the person sleep there, he too was so tired. The king was so tired by digging the ground. So he too was sleep there only. When he woke up, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was, or who was the strange bearded man laying on the bed was. So for a certain minute he will sleep there only. Then again when he woke up, he observed that where he was not in his kingdom, and he remembered that what has happened in the last hour, that some bearded man came running to him and he got wounded, and he dressed that man and he was unconscious. Then, "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a weak voice, when he saw the king was awake. So, again that bearded man will conscious and he will say, "Forgive me," underline that one, "Forgive me," said the bearded man. That unconscious man will get conscious and he plead sorry with the king. Why he will plead sorry with the king? I do not know. You have nothing to forgive for you, said the king. That one also underline, children. I don't know you and have nothing to forgive you for. Underline. Then the king say, "Why you are pleading sorry? You have done nothing to me. You don't know me, but I know you." So the unknown bearded man will say that you don't know who I am, but I know you very well. I am the enemy of your who swore revenge on you. So he says that you don't know who I am, but I know you very well. I am your enemy and I came here to revenge on you. To whom he wanted to revenge? That bearded man wanted to revenge on a king. Because you put my brother to death and seized my property. Why he wanted to revenge on him, children? Because maybe a few days or many years back, he punished his brother and seized his property. Seized in the sense, he took up the property to the kingdom. But the day passed and you did not return. So I felt my hiding place and I came upon by your bodyguard. So what will do? The bearded man maybe planned to kill the king by his kingdom itself. He planned that I will go to the kingdom or the palace, there I will kill the king. But when the king has came to meet the hermit, he may not return for a long time. So what he had decided, till now the king has not returned, so I only moved to the king where he was. So while coming there, he has fought with the bodyguard and there he was injured. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. So the bodyguard recognized that bearded man and he attacked that bearded man. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wound. So what that man will say to the king? If you had not treated my wound, I would have died because of the bleeding. I wish to kill you and you have saved my life. So he says that I wanted to kill you, but in return you have saved my life. Now if I lie, I will serve you as your most faithful servant. So what he will say, the bearded man will say, I am alive now, so I wanted to serve my entire life for you as a faithful servant. That was a gratitude, or in return he wanted to do for a king. So children, observe here that here a king has came to get the answer for the 3 questions, but the thing is that instead of getting the answer for the 3 questions, the strange event has went on nearby him. What was that? One strange man come near to him by getting unconscious and he was severely wounded. That wound was treated by the king, and in return when that man get conscious, when he get the conscious, he will tell the entire history that strange man wanted to revenge on the king, but unknowingly the king has treated the person and he get faithful that and he agreed to serve the king for the entire life. That was the situation. So here what is the role of the hermit and what is the role of the king and what is the role of the that strange person, you have to remember. Okay, the king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. So he was happy that the enemy who came to kill him, he got a friendly, or he got very faithful with the king. He not only forgave him but also promised to give back the man his property. So in return what the king will do, he will agree to keep that man as a servant, and also he gave the property which he was seized before. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked around for the hermit. So what he will do, as this conversation get over between king and the bearded man, he will come out and search for that hermit. The king went out of the hut and looked around for the hermit. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my question, wise man." What the king will say? Till now this situation has done, but still now the hermit has kept quiet. He has not answered the question. So the king says that, "For the last time I beg you to answer my question, wise man." So he says that for the last time I am asking you, can you answer my question? "You have already been answered," said the hermit. What the hermit will say? "Listen here, king, you already answered your question." It means that there the situation where hermit need not to answer for the 3 questions of the king. The king himself has answered his 3 questions. How I have been answered? What do you mean? The king was surprised of the hermit saying. Why he was surprised? Hermit says that you had answered your question. In the sense, the king itself answered his 3 questions. By saying that, king was surprised that how he was answered his 3 questions. That was still question. Children, how king himself answered the 3 questions? Do you have any hint or any clue of the situation? So what you have to do? Still there is a 2 paragraph that you have to read. Remaining I will do. The 2 paragraph I will do in the next class. Let me see by reading these 2 paragraphs whether you are getting answer for the king's question, that I want to see, children, and remaining 2 paragraph I will continue in the next class. Till then, keep reading the textbook and safe at home, children. See you soon. Bye.